Tip 1. First, I prepare 4 bowls. Usually, people place aluminum foil directly inside the bowls and press it down with their hands to shape it. Instead, I have a much simpler trick. First, turn the bowl upside down on the table. Then place a sheet of aluminum foil over the bottom of the bowl and use both hands to gently smooth it along the bowl's curves. It only takes a few seconds for the foil to conform perfectly to the bowl's shape. Next, gently lift the shaped foil and place it back inside the bowl. Surprisingly, the foil fits almost perfectly, hugging the bowl evenly from the bottom to the sides without needing much adjustment. Next, prepare a steamer and pour in about 1 liter of clean water. This amount is sufficient to maintain a steady steam throughout the steaming process without worrying about the water running out too quickly. Next, use a brush to lightly coat the inside of each foil mold with a thin layer of cooking oil. This simple step prevents the eggs from sticking to the mold after cooking and helps maintain their attractive shape when removed. Then, gently crack 4 eggs, one by one, into the 4 prepared bowls, 1 egg per bowl. Sprinkle a small pinch of salt into each bowl to enhance the egg's natural flavor. Then add a little ground pepper. Next, gently gather the edges of the foil together and pinch the top to form small pouches that completely enclose the eggs inside. Just twist it lightly a few times, and the foil will hold its shape very securely without needing too much securing. This method helps the eggs retain their round, beautiful shape throughout the cooking process, while also preventing the seasoning from leaking out, resulting in a more flavorful and appealing dish once it's done. Then, gently place each foil packet into the steamer basket, arranging them evenly and leaving a small gap between each to allow hot steam to circulate around them. Once everything is ready, place the steamer basket over the pot and cover it tightly. Steam for about 8 to 10 minutes over medium heat. As steam begins to rise vigorously inside the pot, the heat will gradually cook the eggs inside the foil packets, resulting in tender, smooth eggs that retain their moisture and natural flavor. When you open the lid, the aroma of the eggs and ground pepper will waft out, incredibly enticing. Unwrap the foil, and you'll see the eggs retain their beautiful round shape. The white is soft and smooth, and the golden yolk sits neatly in the center, simple yet incredibly appealing. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now it's time to enjoy it with some sandwich bread. The rich, creamy yolk, combined with the fresh, soft bread, creates an incredible combination that will make your taste buds come alive. Tip 2. First, I prepare 2 packets of instant noodles and place them in a large bowl. Then, I pour water over the noodles until they're submerged, allowing them to soften slightly and begin to separate. Next, I prepare a steamer and add about 1 liter of clean water to the bottom. I place the steamer basket on top, then gently transfer the soaked noodles into the basket. Next, cover the pot tightly and steam over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. The hot steam will help the noodles cook slowly, retaining their natural chewy texture without becoming mushy or overly soft, as can happen when boiling them directly in water. At this point, prepare a small bowl and a small cup to crack the eggs, one at a time. Many people often crack the eggs directly into the bowl, but this method easily causes shell fragments to fall inside, which is both unhygienic and difficult to clean up. Instead, simply find a flat surface and give it a light, decisive tap. The eggshell will crack cleanly, and the egg will drop out much more neatly. Add oil to a hot pan, then gradually add our ingredients. First, add 3 eggs. Next, add the garlic and chili to create a delicious aroma for the dish. Next, prepare the accompaniments: bean sprouts, sausage, and some greens. These ingredients not only make the dish more delicious, but also create a sense of balance, so you won't feel overwhelmed even if you eat a lot. Then, add the leafy greens and bean sprouts, and add the sliced sausages. After steaming, I pour cold water directly over the noodles right in the steamer. This method helps the noodles cool down quickly, firm up, and become much fluffier. Finally, add the instant noodles, along with the sauce, made from the following ingredients: 2 seasoning packets from the instant noodle packages, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now add the 2 seasoning packets, then pour the sauce mixture over the noodles and stir everything well. At this point, the aroma is already filling the entire room. Watch out, or your neighbors might come knocking to see what smells so good. As a result, when you continue cooking the noodles, they won't stick together, while still retaining their delicious, chewy texture and looking much more appealing. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.